How to know if your crush likes you. Whether you're a teenager experiencing that first flutter of attraction or an adult trying to decipher the signals, we've got you covered. Body language. The first clue to figure out if your crush likes you is through their body language. Watch out for these telltale signs. Eye contact. If your crush makes frequent eye contact with you and holds it for more extended periods, that's a positive sign. It shows they're interested in you and enjoy your presence. Smiles and laughter. Notice how often they smile or laugh around you. A genuine smile indicates they feel comfortable and happy when you're around. Mirroring. Subtly mirror their body language. If your crush follows suit, like crossing their arms when you do, it suggests they are unconsciously trying to connect with you. Communication. Now, let's talk about communication clues. Initiates conversations. If your crush often initiates conversations with you, either in person or through messaging, it's a clear sign they want to engage with you. Texting habits. Pay attention to their texting behavior. Quick replies and lengthy messages may indicate they're eager to talk to you. Emojis and teasing. The use of emojis, playful teasing, or inside jokes signifies that they're comfortable and enjoy bantering with you. Interest in your life. When someone likes you, they'll naturally show interest in your life. Here's what to look for. Remembering details. Your crush may remember small details you shared, like your favorite movie or a special event, showing they genuinely listen to what you say. Supportive behavior. If they offer support and encouragement when you're going through tough times, it's a sign they care about your well-being. Social media interactions. Keep an eye on their social media activity. Liking or commenting on your posts often indicates they're interested in staying connected with you. Spending time together. The amount of time your crush spends with you can be very telling. Look out for the following. Making plans. If your crush actively seeks opportunities to hang out with you one-on-one or in a group setting, they probably enjoy your company. Prioritizing you. Do they prioritize spending time with you over other activities? It suggests you're significant to them. Special gestures. Watch for gestures like offering to drive you home or bringing you coffee. These thoughtful acts show they care. Their friends' behavior. Sometimes, your crush's friends might give away clues. Friendly teasing. If their friends tease them when you're around or give you knowing looks, it's possible your crush has confided in them. Including you. If their friends make an effort to include you in group activities, it may mean your crush has spoken positively about you.